Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on your profile for storage on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here, and you just click here on my information authorizations, and you come to our next window here. Then you just click here on system permissions, and you come to this window, you click here on storage, then you come to storage window here, you just go down, and you will come here to my profile, you will click here, and it's going to show for you window like this, and you click here on my profile for storage, you click here on this mark, and like you see this color show for us, that's mean your profile is on now for storage. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.